So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to track your family on Life360. If you want to track your family on Life360, you can start off by downloading Life360 app like this. So if you download the app, you should then open it. You can create a private group and it's going to be called a circle. So in technical terms, that's going to be your circle, your gang, or rather your group is going to be there, and you can start off by inviting members. So you can get to here, you can choose the option to create a new circle through there and then start adding members. You can also see the adding members in the top right corner. The other way to track your family would be through that specific invite code that you get. And you can then check on them through here. So if you click on add people, it's going to be added like that. So if you add a person, through that you will get this role that best fits that a person you want to add. Then you can choose to skip to your invite code. Once you've chosen that, you're going to get the option to send that person that specific invite code, and from that point you will have that that person just needs to download the app and input it by opening this and choosing to join a circle. Once you've done that, you can start tracking those people within your circle, so your family in this case, and you can add custom places like home, school, or something like that, and you can then start tracking them on there if they turn on their location. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.